If we want to change the DPI settings on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then we have two main ways to do so. We can simply open settings, then go to display, and over here you should be able to find the display size and text option. Here we can move left and right where we have display size in order to adjust the DPI. It affects the whole screen, of course. We can just tap anywhere on the slider as well, or use minus and plus buttons on left and right side. However, if you wish to have some more specific customization options, then in that case, in the settings, we can scroll all the way down and go to About Phone. And first we need to enable developer options. So we're gonna go to device identifiers, keep tapping on build number, enter the screen lock password. And after that, once we see this information that we are now a developer, we can go back to the main menu of settings. And this time we're gonna go to system settings, choose developer options, and now we can keep scrolling until you find an option that is called smallest width. Over here we can customize this number, and the lower the number is, the bigger the screen is. So for example, if I set this option to 200, the screen should be pretty huge. As you can see, the limit is actually 320, and it impacts the whole screen size. If we set a higher number, then the screen will be smaller. So if I set it to 600, it is actually pretty small. You always want to be careful with these numbers, because if you actually provide too high number, then it can impact negatively on some features of the menu. So just be careful with these numbers. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.